Hi, my name is Wayne van der Linde from Keep It on One Wheel. Today we're going to show you how to do slow and controlled wheelies. Key fundamentals about the wheelie is body position, preload, the rebound, clutch, throttle and the rear brake. The reason why we use the rear brake is to let the bike stand still so you can do a preload and the rebound can help you up. Next steps is to dump the clutch, acceleration a little bit with your body backwards and look up. If you put all of this together, you will get a perfect wheel lift and a perfect wheelie.